Hey guys, welcome to Car Diaries. So today I'm going to paint my brake calipers of my Mitsubishi Outlander. So it was in the black color, so I'm going to change it for red. Yeah, let's see how we are going to do that. So without any complex tools, I'm using just only the spray can and a mask tape, and yeah, that's it. Pretty much no tools. This is the VHT Caliper Paint red color. So it's heat resistant and chemical resistant caliper paint. So just cover up these places using the mask tapes, and yeah. So this is the first coat I have applied. The second coat I have to apply after like 10 minutes.